Welcome back to our channel once again. As Chrome is not being set as our default browser, anytime we open Chrome, it keeps on asking us to set Chrome as our default browser. So let me close it, then you see what I'm talking about. So if you close this, you open that, you see Chrome is asking for us to make it a default browser. Anytime you just open it, Chrome is asking us to make it our default browser. And if you are a person who always use Chrome and you want to set it as a default browser, it is very easy and simple to do. Now there are two steps in order to make it as a default browser. As you have seen the notification which is here set as default browser, you can just click on that to set it as a default browser, which you are going to go back into the computer settings and set it as your default browser. I'll show you both ways, even if this notification is not popping up on your browser and you want to use it as your default browser. As it pops up first, so let's use this step to do it. So click on set as default browser. Right, so it opens up the settings automatically. So once it opens up the settings automatically, just go to the browser section, scroll down. As you can see here, we have Chrome here. So just click on Chrome. Make Google Chrome as your default browser, as you can see at the top here. So just click here, set as default browser. Right, you can see all the settings are being changed as the default browser. So if we, now that it is being set as our default browser, you can change all these. These are all files extensions which are supported by other files. This is a pdf.html. So if you want to change any of that, you just click on that and then switch anyway, and then you select the Google Chrome browser, so set as default. So either of that you want to change, so this is just the same way. So just click on it, click on this, and then select the Chrome browser and then set as default. So either way, that is just how and simple and easy to do it. Now our next way to set it as a default browser. So now that we have set it as our default browser, the notification is no more going to be open. If we open the Chrome browser once again, you can see Chrome browser is open without the notification. Now in a case where you want to set, in a case where your Edge is set as your default browser, but anytime you open the Chrome and it doesn't give you the notification to set it as a default browser, close it. Now go into your computer settings, just click on the start and go into your computer settings. Once you are in the computer settings, at your left side, just click on the apps. Once you are in the apps menu, you have here installed apps, advanced app settings, default apps. So we select default apps. In default apps, so just as earlier we did, just scroll down and go to the Google Chrome browser. So select Google Chrome browser and then set it just as default. It's just the same process. So either way, if it is Edge browser that you want to use as your default browser, once again, just scroll down to the Microsoft Edge browser. Where is it? Where is Microsoft Edge browser? Right, where is it? Right, so we have it here. So just click on it and then also change it as default browser. So guys, that is just the easy and simple steps to switch a browser or any browser to set as your default browser. So if it is any browser, you just go through the search through and then just select that same browser and set it as your default browser. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.